Welcome back to Beautyistic, where beauty meets expertise. Have you ever wished for a lip tint that delivers instant color, a glossy shine, and a delightful scent, all while keeping your lips hydrated? If you have, then this review might just be the one for you. Today, we're diving into the Too Faced Kissing Juicy Tint in Cream Soda, a product that's been gaining some serious buzz. Let's see if this lip tint is truly the multitasker it claims to be. First, a quick overview of this product. Too Faced has designed this lip tint to give you a hydrating, long-lasting finish with a shiny, juicy look. The cream soda shade is a soft, rosy nude, perfect for a natural, everyday look. With a texture that's described as a cream, this product claims to be suitable for all skin types, and it's been formulated to provide a comfortable feel without drying out your lips. If you're a fan of products that combine color with a juicy, glossy finish, you might want to keep listening. Now, let's talk about my real-world experience with the Too Faced Kissing Juicy Tint. I've had the chance to wear it over the past few days, and I'm happy to report that it does exactly what it promises. When I first applied it, I was immediately impressed by how soft and smooth it felt. The product went on effortlessly, and the cream texture was a breeze to blend. It didn't feel sticky, which is often a concern with glossy finishes, and instead, it left a comfortable, almost nourishing feel on my lips. Throughout the day, I noticed that the tint stayed put better than I expected. It's one of those products that gives you that just-applied look for a few hours, especially if you're not eating or drinking too much. The shine did fade a little as the day went on, but the color lingered, leaving behind a subtle tint. If you're someone who loves a little extra shine throughout the day, you might need to reapply once or twice, but I didn't mind that since it's easy to carry in your bag. Let's get into the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Too Faced Kissing Juicy Tint is incredibly hydrating, which makes it stand out from other lip tints that can sometimes dry out your lips. The texture is smooth, and the cream soda shade is very flattering, with just the right balance of nude and rosy tones. The juicy scent? It's a pleasant surprise. It's sweet but not overpowering, adding to the overall experience. It's definitely something I enjoy every time I apply it. However, no product is without its drawbacks. While the color is long-lasting, the shine does fade fairly quickly. This isn't a huge deal if you're not expecting it to be a high-shine lip gloss, but it's something to note if you're after a full-on glossy finish that lasts all day. Another thing to consider is that the tint is best suited for those who prefer a natural, dewy look. If you're more into matte finishes or bolder lip colors, this might not be your go-to. As for value for money, it's a bit tricky. At 0.10 ounces, you're getting a relatively small amount of product, but the performance does make it worth considering if you're in the market for a moisturizing lip tint with a natural finish. The hydration, color payoff, and glossy shine make it a solid choice if you're after something that's easy to wear and touch up on the go. It's not the cheapest option out there, but the quality certainly holds its ground. When it comes to alternatives, there are a few other lip tints that might be more budget-friendly or offer similar results. If you're looking for something with a matte finish, you might want to check out the Benefit Benetint, which offers great color, but in a more long-lasting, non-shiny form. If you're really into glosses that hydrate, you could explore options from brands like Fenty Beauty or Burt's Bees, which have hydrating formulas with great color payoff as well. Now let's talk about build quality. Too Faced has created a product with excellent packaging. It's sleek and portable, making it easy to pop into your purse without worrying about leaks. The twist-off cap ensures no mess, and the smooth applicator makes the tint super easy to apply on the go. There's no concern about packaging defects, and the product feels durable enough to last through a few uses without any issues. Finally, let's wrap up with a quick recommendation. The Too Faced Kissing Juicy Tint in Cream Soda is a great choice for anyone looking for a natural, hydrating lip product with a soft tint and a glossy finish. It's perfect for those who want a subtle pop of color and enjoy a product that's easy to apply throughout the day. However, if you're someone who prefers bold, long-lasting shine, this might not hit the mark for you. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let me know what you think. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.